Hi everyone! Today, we are taking the bus to visit the city center. Let's check the map.
Does this bus go to the main square? It's a long way from here.
Yes, it does, Tom. We need to get off at the third stop. It's very easy. Look! The bus is arriving! Let's get on, everyone! I'm so excited! The city is so crowded today, but the buildings are ancient and beautiful.
I agree. These buildings are perfect for my photos. Let's explore more.
Let's go! Look over there. There is a street performer near the fountain. Let's go!
Wait. Where is my camera?
It's gone! Don't worry, Tom. Let's retrace our steps and look for it. Look, Tom. It's inside my bag. I took it when you were looking at the map.
Oh, Anna, you gave me a fright. Thank you for keeping it safe.
You're welcome, Tom.
Smile, everyone! This is a perfect shot.
We had a great adventure today. Thank you for watching. See you soon.